Hi, welcome to Francois Math class. Today we are going to look at coordinate geometry 1, straight lines. But this time we are going to look at midpoint between 2 points. Midpoint between 2 points. So when we have a line on the Cartesian plane, let's say the line AB. So our A, x1, y1. Then we have our B, we have x2, y2. So this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. So we have our x1, then this side gives us our x2. Then when you consider this side, we have our y1, then y2 is here. We look at the midpoint. So midpoint means the line, there's a point dividing this one into 2. So we pick that one to be our M. And we use A and B for the midpoint. So it means that the x coordinates for that one, let's use A for that. Then that of B, we use the y, we use B for this. So now let's look at between this A and M. Between A and M, we have A minus x1. And between M and B, we have x2 minus A. Because we always subtract this one, the latter from the one in front from the latter. The same thing applies to A, the point, this one, and B. So in between, we have y1 and B. So we have B minus y1, then y2 minus B. So let's consider the x-axis. So we realize that between A and B, AM is equal to MB. AM is equal to MB. So when you consider the x-axis, it means that between this and that, the distance between those ones. So A minus x1. Then this side is x2 minus A. So now we can group our like terms. We have A will come here. So A plus A is equal to x2 minus A plus x1. So we have 2A is equal to x2 plus x1. So if you want to find A is equal to x2 plus x1 all over 2. And that is for the x coordinates. So that's for x coordinates. And if you want to find that of the y coordinates, we look at this side. So we can also say that B minus y1 should be equal to y2 minus B. So now we want to find B because that B is the midpoint. So B plus B is equal to y2 plus y1. So we have 2B is equal to y2 plus y1. Divide here by 2, here by 2. So B is equal to y2 plus y1 all over 2. All over 2. And that gives you the various coordinates. So if you want to write the coordinates, we have the midpoint is equal to x2 plus x1 all over 2, y2 plus y1 all over 2. Or you can have it as half into bracket x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. Because addition is commutative. So however you turn it, you get the same thing. And this is the formula for finding the midpoint between 2 points. Let's solve one example from this. Find the midpoint between the points A, -2, 2, and B, 8, 4. So that is the question. We are supposed to find the midpoint between the points -2, 2, and 8, 4. Now let's look at that. So with this, we know finding the midpoint of A and B becomes half of x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. So with this is our x1, y1, x2, y2. So with this, we have half of our x1 is -2 plus our x2 is 8. Then our y1 is 2 plus y2 is 4. So we have half of -2 plus 8, we have 6. 2 plus 4, we have 6. So half of 6 is what? 3. And half of 6 is also 3. So the midpoint of AB is 3, 3. And that is the solution to the question. Now let me give you one question for you to try. Find the midpoint of the following: A, 2, 4, and 3, 5. Then B, 1, 5, and -3, 3. All right, so that is your assignment. Continue to subscribe to Francois Maths class to enjoy a lot of these lessons. And you can also contact me on 0246 426343. Have a nice day and bye-bye.